Hey guys, I wanted to show you really quick my workspace in my husband's wood shop. I have a very good view. There's my beehive in the back. So we're waiting for some honey. It'll be a while. And then another window. And another nice window. This window doesn't open, but it has a good view. And some things that we have to go through. There's a bandsaw I might learn how to use, but I'm not sure yet. And then there is my workspace. I have my chair and my desk. It's pretty hefty. I have my carving table. It's actually my son's, but he's not using it, so I'm using it now. I have a few old things on my desk. I think these are my dad's. I like old tools. I even have an engraving machine, but I'm not sure. I don't think I'll use it, and every wood shop should have Band-Aids. And I have some old books that I got from a garage sale, and some Dremel bits, and my easel. And I have my flex cut gouges, palm gouges. I really like those. They have different, there's different kinds, but I use those a lot. I'm trying to teach myself how to wood carve, so I'm kind of still new at it. I did receive my Helvy knives a few days ago, and I did a video of that a few days ago, so you can watch that too. And my flex cut knives, and a few of my carvings, and my gouges. I have some chisels. I believe that these used to be my dad's. So, my 50/50 spray, because I use that when I have hard basswood. If you use 50% alcohol and 50% water and put it together and spray it on wood, it makes the wood softer. So, and then the machine or tool that I use all the time is my wood burning machine. So, my husband bought me a Dremel tool a few months ago, but I haven't really used it. I'm still trying to learn how to use it. I have all the PPE and the tips and nibs that I need. I just have to sit down and watch more YouTube, I guess. But I have the stylus also. I like this better. Well, it's connected to the Dremel, but this has more, I don't know what you would call it, but handheld friendlier, I guess. Anyway, and one thing that I'm trying to use to prevent a problem, yeah, I bet you're like, what are those? I have coffee cans under my desk because I'm waiting for my husband to make a footstool of some kind, because when I sit on my chair, my feet do not touch the floor, so I just problem solved. That's all I did. So they're just about the right height that I need for the footstool to be. He says he might build me a new desk. I kind of like this desk. It's very sturdy. He says it's bowed, so but I like it for now. And I got my shop vac. And how many of you can say you have an air hockey table in your workshop? Well, thanks for watching. I just wanted to show you my workspace and the area that I sit and try to carve and do all of my wood burning commissions. Bye-bye for now.